Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can sketch on curved surface in Fusion 360. So let's simply create a project, and from here I'm going to create this simple curved surface. And now to simply go ahead and make a sketch onto this curved surface, if you click on new sketch, as you can see, if you choose a flat surface, it will then try to simply go ahead and prioritize the flat surface. But if you go ahead and click on the curved, it will not go ahead and work at all. So the workaround this is using an offset plane. So what you want to do is to just click construct. From here, you then want to choose the surface where you want to simply sketch on. So in my case, I'm going to do it this way. Click on OK. Let's then create a sketch on this surface that we have made. As you can see, we could simply align this along the surface right here. And I'm just going to create a simple rectangle shape in order to match it with my curved surface. Click finish sketch. And with this newly created sketch, what you can do is to click extrude. And basically you could just swing it along the main object right here. And if you navigate through the extrude option, you just want to make sure that for the operation, you want to click on new body. Click OK. And now you could customize this, of course, to whatever you want to. You could extend it, or you can even make it a bit smaller if you want. If you also navigate below the object and actually click on it, of course, you can make the same adjustments that I have mentioned. And simply from there, you could make a lot of adjustments by customizing this to whatever you want to. And so guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. Leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.